안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. My inspiration for today's nail art is TWICE's TT music video. Here are my base colors for today. For my index nail, I'll be recreating Momo's part on the music video. Let me stamp this design to represent the wallpaper on that part. Then, I'll be stamping this fairy with white. Then after that, I stamped layers of the same design in green. On my middle nail, I'll be doing a mermaid mani just like Taeyong's costume on the music video. I'll be using these colors to make the gradient. Then I dabbed it onto my nail. Then I stamped a mermaid scales design. After that, I applied some pearl and gems. For my ring nail, I'll be doing a broken glass design just like Nayeon's part. I also added 2 triangles on it, but I guess I forgot to film it. Then on my pinky, I'll be doing a moon and lightning bolt design, just like Santa's part. I already did this ombre background, so now let's stamp this moon design. Then I added the lightning bolt. Then on my thumb, I'll be trying to do this one. I'll be stamping this design as my background. Then I used a pumpkin design and I'm filling it with color. Let that to dry, then I applied it onto my nail. Then I also added the eyes and the mouth. After that, I applied top coat. And there you have it! My nails are ready for a K-pop Halloween event. I hope you enjoyed today's K-pop nail art tutorial. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video to your awesome chingus. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!